folks, Larry here. What's up? Okay, hey, today's a little bit different. I'm not going to show you any pen reviews. Oh, kind of not. Oh well, it's going to be pen news. What the heck is pen news? Whatever you want it to be. Anyway, first of all, I want to share with everybody that our next guest that was going to be coming up on Zoom Pen Hangout, Richard Myers, had to cancel because of some family issues came up unexpectedly. So that's going to be canceled. Okay, that's number one. And number two, okay, I spoke with Jim Hines earlier today, and I want to give you all an update on Jim's condition. Okay. Well, he still has the back issue still. So people were asking me, what's wrong with Jim? Is he okay? Well, Jim's doing better. He is progressing slowly but surely. So what caused the problem for Jim is a staph infection in his left knee that required surgery and IV antibiotics. So that's the reason for all this. And like I said, he's healing and he's doing much better. Okay, still going at a slow pace. So give Jim time to heal, but he'll get your orders out as soon as he recovers. So, to all my pen friends out there that hear this video, let's show Jim some love. Send Jim emails or send him a text, a message, something to show that you're there supporting him. Okay? Wouldn't that be awesome and cool? Because that's what we do, right? As pen folks, we care about each other, we help each other, we try to motivate each other however we can. So just let Jim know that he's in your prayers, in your thoughts, however you want to do it. So peace. Alright. Alright, number 3 coming up. I want to remind everybody that this beautiful pen with a beautiful nib, smooth and delicious and wet, a very nice writer, is still available while they last at Federalist Pens and Paper. Now don't forget, when you shop at Frank's store, look for his discounts, because he has all kinds of discounts and you might want to pick up a few of those discounts. That helps bring the price down a bit more. So Frank has this is a good price. Check out his website and don't forget to use the coupon and ink it up. Enjoy. Okay, last but not least, number 4. Okay, I want to talk a little bit about Magna Carta fountain pens. A great fountain pen, really. And you can email them at Mr. Announcer.
care@magnacartapen.com.
And you might want to spell that out for him to make it clear.
That's C-A-R-E, care@MAGNACARTAPEN.com.
Okay, so let me just talk a little bit of what you're going to see when you pull up this website. And you go to the website at
magnacartapen.com.
Yeah, go to the website. You can order there as well. Okay? So, if you go into collections, you're going to see different pens like the Oxford, Cambridge, beautiful pens, and it goes on and on. The York, the Sapphire, Executive, and they have the
Ganesha.
which is a beautiful, gorgeous pen. But this pen, if you're interested, it's going to cost you a few nickels and dimes. This one runs in about, let me pull up a price, $667. But the detail that's done on this pen is super cool. A lot of detail and work went into this pen. So, of course, they have the Wave, the Cambridge 2. They have the Plus One. I mean, you can get these beautiful pens for like, I believe, $95. That's a steal with ebonite feed now, remember. And they have the Plus 2. They have the beautiful Elements. Now, here in the U.S. right now, Frank from Federalist Pens has some of these pens. He doesn't have the whole selection of them yet. He carries the Elements and the Wave and the Purity pens, I believe, the one I showed everybody once. And when you go to the website, not to worry about if you don't see ebonite feed, because I talked to Heron yesterday, this morning, and I was telling him I was at the website and I didn't see ebonite feed. He said, "You're not worried because they all come with ebonite feed. They haven't changed that yet, but they all come with ebonite feed." So that's a plus. So if you're in the U.S. and let's say you order the pen for $95, okay, I believe it's going to be like $25 to ship it to the U.S., which isn't a bad price. And I just want to show you one of these beautiful pens. Isn't that gorgeous?
Love it.
That's a good looking pen. And let's go to another one.
Very nice.
Right there. And we'll go to one more. These got beautiful pens. Now, you can get on the nib side, this is what's really cool, I think anyway. Pull this up for you. You can choose your nib options. Extra fine steel, medium steel, broad steel, and double broad steel nibs. He's working on titanium nibs, and down the road he will have gold nibs. And these pens are absolutely stunning. They're really a cut from above some of the finest pens that you'll get your hands on, in my opinion. So, let me just show you a few more just so you can get kind of the idea. And now here's the Element. I'll pull that up. Now Frank at Federalist Pens and Paper sells the Element. And really a nice, beautiful pen. I showed you the night, I believe, once. So here is the Element. With a piston filler. Beautiful. It's just a really gorgeous pen, and they write fantastic. I was totally impressed and blown away. And they got the Element Earth, Elements Water, and the list goes on and on. Of course, they have the Emotions, and the Emotion powers, and they have different ones, friendships and passion. So if you go to the website, you'll be able to see it, and you might want to sign up for the newsletter as well. So, and what else is going on? Anything going on with you, Mr. Announcer?
No, I think that pretty well covers it.
Trying to think, make sure I haven't left anything out. Mr. Announcer and I have been working on some new upcoming videos. We hope you like them because it takes a lot of work to not just make the video, but to come up with the ideas for the presentation, everything that's involved to make the video. It's almost like making a movie, isn't it, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, well, it is, yes. Very a short movie.
But don't forget that I will always focus on the pen. That's the most important part. I just like to make it interesting and entertaining. But the pen is a must to show and explain and talk about.
I would be curious, though, as the opinion on the video level, watching many of the videos that I've seen, do y'all, as an audience, prefer jump cuts or transitions between scenes? I'm curious.
What else? I think that's going to do it for now. Yes, we have some pins coming up shortly. I thought I needed to get this bulletin out of the news that's happening. And until next time, my friends, stay safe, be safe. Peace and love. Lots of peace and love. Just lots of peace and love. And you know, baby, you can drive my car. Yes, I'm going to be a star, because baby, I love you. All right. Well, you know, with that said, please, for goodness sakes, don't text and drive. All you're doing is putting your life at risk as well as others. Take care. Bye-bye.